Hello. In today's video we're going to discuss how to set up your BLI diesels that have rolling thunder so that they do not have interference between the transmitters in the lead and trailing units when you have rolling thunder engaged. I'll show you a demonstration first, and then we will get into how to fix that issue. Most of you users that have multiple units of diesels hooked up probably have already figured out this little trick, but for those that haven't, I will provide you the instructions on how to make your rolling thunder sound better with multiple units. So first we're going to start up the units in their normal mode without rolling thunder. Hit the F9 key. Now these logos are programmed as they came from the factory with all the standard settings. So now we're going to let rolling thunder roll in. Okay, if you can hear, the rolling thunder has rolled in, and you can already hear we have a little interference between the lead unit and the trailing unit. Remember, the B in this case is a dummy. So now we're going to let the locomotives take off, and you'll hear some of the interference that's happening. Between the A lead unit and the A trailing unit. From going to the Broadway Limited site and reading the FAQs, you learn that from the factory, the rolling thunder is set up to channel 1 in all their locomotives. The channels that are available are 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so what we will need to do to stop this fighting between the two F units is we need to change one of the units to a different channel, and because the rolling thunder can only log into or lock into one channel at a time. So when you have two locomotives on one channel, it causes a fight. Stop the interference between the two A units so that rolling thunder will only pick up one channel, we're going to change the channel number of the trailing unit. So first thing we did is we killed the track power to the locomotives, and we let the booster batteries run down so that there's no voltage on the in the locomotives themselves. Now we turn back on the power to the track. Now we want to change the channel number on the trailing unit, which is unit 1535. So in our NCE power cab, we select LOCO 1535, we enter, then we go to program on the main, enter, we want to program 1535, enter, we check option 2, which is CV. We want to change CV number 212. We enter. And then currently the channel number for Rolling Thunder in 1535 is set up to channel 1, which is the same thing as channel for 1526, which is the lead unit. So what we want to do is we're going to put in the value of 4 for the 4th channel. We hit enter, enter, and escape. First we have to hit select LOCO, and for our consist this is number 10, so we enter 10, and then we press 9 to start the locos up. And if you will notice, when they start up, you're going to have a much more clarity of your Roller Thunder sound, and you should not hear any fighting between the two locomotives for channel control. So we're pressing 9. As you can hear, Rolling Thunder has rolled in. As we come up the grade, we're going to be on speed step 36 of 128, which is the same speed step we came up the grade earlier with. So you can compare how clear the sound is. Hopefully you can notice that there's no fighting for the channel between the two F units, and we have nice crisp sound now from our Rolling Thunder system. So hopefully this has helped y'all understand how to fix this problem if you've been experiencing this sound quality issue. It's just a matter of having the settings correct for the locomotives, and I think you'll be very happy with the results. Thank you for watching the video. This is the final run around. We're going to run the Broadway Limited F7 ABA unit around and see how it performs. We're going to run it at the same 36 speed step for comparison. This is with Rolling Thunder turned on. Okay, we're throttled up to 36. Locomotive is pulling 0.36 amps, 0.36. No slowdown whatsoever as it climbs a 1.5% grade. So it sure seems that the amperage draw is what's causing the problem. Lack of amperage, lack of volts, and MPH needs a little bit stronger power pack to perform to perfection.